damn, that was loud. Jesus Christ. Whew, that thing was loud. Even for me, that was loud. I was like, damn. All right, everybody. Sorry about that. Unfortunately, it killed. I was recording and it killed the entire first half of my entire freaking video. So that sucks, unfortunately. So I'm going to have to, I'll do the abridged version. So you're all going to get the abridged version of what's going on, okay? All right. Let's bring this down here. Sorry, everybody. I apologize. All right. So what I say? 12-hour has got legs to run. 4-hour is definitely more bearish on the volume. So I still think that we have the potential of going up a little before we come down. And I've said that. And I also think that this looks like, here's my count. I still, if you get into this count, I still think this looks like an A, B, running into a C wave here, right? A, B, C, running into a C wave. I do count an impulsive wave down, 1, 2, 3. You could still be in wave 3 looking for wave 3 to end. This could be a wave 4 of wave 3 looking for that to end, then a big wave 4 up. Or this could be the end of 3 looking for 4. We will all find out very, very soon. Bull's best hope is to get all the way back up here, 6,200, and then bounce off. Here's our VPVR chart. So you see you've tested down here. You've got one trend line, came down, bounced into the target. Trend line started all the way from over here, poked through it. This is the void down in here. This is the void. You see the lack of price action that's down here. So breaking down into here will be super, super, super ugly for everybody involved. I did add these top resistance bands. They're right here. So if we do get a run back up, which I'm still looking for some kind of a little push back up, that's where we go. Chalk and money flow is showing that we're getting a little bit of money coming back into the market. Not sure where it's going, but we did get a bunch, 50 million USDT put back into the market just recently. I saw that. MACD chart, listen, we did get a roll over here. I can't tell if this is the green area yet or not. These green, where these rolled over, were very bearish. So if it rolls over and this is a green area, this is just rolling bearish. See, it rolls here, but it keeps dying. Rolls here, but really dies, right? Rolls here and just kind of moves sideways. Without the tether pump, this would have died. So all three of these previous green ones, and now we have this rolling, are all bearish rollovers. These are all bearish. These are more bullish. This one is bullish. This one is super bearish right here, okay? So of all of these down here, these are all bad, except for this one over here. This is the only good one, right? This one fell out here, but it was just super ugly, kept going. RSI chart, we've got a lot of push up on the RSI. This does correlate. This move on the RSI coming up here completely correlates what I've been saying, which is we're looking for a wave C. We're trying to finish a C, A, B, C wave so we can get back down. And are we going to test this historical line here or the historical wedge line there? Our ADX chart, look, your 12-hour rolled over. So we've been looking for this baby to roll over. So here's our 12-hour ADX. The daily rolled over. Bad news on the daily rolling over here on Phoenix is the daily rolled over too damn high. So this is not good, right? So the ADX chart, 12-hour rolled up like expected. Look at old charts, right? And daily USDT rolled up too soon to be a bottom, right? So that's an issue we have. We didn't go down far enough here for this to be a bottom, right? We didn't. We're way too high on this chart over here, on this roll up over here. See, look, here you go. See, here, I'm going to stretch this out so everybody can get a good view of this, right? But here we are. We just rolled over. I'll highlight this area right here. Come here. I'm going to highlight this area. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so you can see, and we don't need this. Don't need this. don't need this. I was all right about that. You can see that we've rolled over right here. Okay, so we rolled up, but we've rolled up above the white line. We wanted to roll up, we wanted to roll below the white line. Look, because this bounce in here, nope, didn't count. This bearish didn't count. Look, this bounce here, same thing, didn't count. This bounce here, bearish, right? You got to get down here deep. This is the deep. There you go. This is a bounce out there. These are all bounce outs down here, okay? And you did get a bounce out right here. You got this last kind of bounce out that we had right here, right? And you did get this last little bounce out we had right here. And look at how perfectly this kind of played out with the top of that wick, the bottom of that wick. You came up to the 382, perfect, and it died out. This wick never should have been here, and this thing should have died out earlier, as I've said all along. But listen, this turnout is too soon, right? So we definitely turned out too soon on this to be a bottom. This is bad. Okay, so this is bad to do this because it means you're just going to do one of these. You got one of these coming, a swoopy over thing, right? So that means you're just going to go something like bang, like that. And we'll do it reddish, right? We'll do red like this. So I will title this rolled up too damn soon. Right? So there we go, rolled up too damn soon. There we go. Okay, let's move on. Same thing. Our count, it's fine. It's the same. Nothing's changed. I still see we got the count over on the. Actually, that's. Oh, yeah. There's my count right there. Still the same. Nothing's changed. And let's cruise along. Okay, here is our USD one. All right. So now our USD rollover. Right, there's our USD rollover there. See, that didn't qualify. This was a bottom. This was the bottom. That was definitely a bottom there. And that was a bottom. So all of these except for this one, right, qualify. Now look, we're low here. We're really low. So we are super low. USD, hold on a second. All right, so okay, so the USD says that we are low and in the bull pump area, okay? So this, man, are in the area for a bottom. Right, so we're in the area for a bottom right here, okay? We definitely are. We definitely are. I mean, we're definitely in the area for a bottom on USDT. Okay, so this is good. But I always, listen, we want to see this. You get the doubles, right? You get this double came down, pause, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm looking for the up and then down, right? Okay, so 10. BB up. Then down. All right, let's move along. Okay, same thing. Weekly ADX still hasn't crossed with the histo. Your weighted weighted moving average true strength index is so deep. I mean, insanely record-setting deep here. Oh no, way back there. You got a long way back there. So we're deep. All right, we're super deep here, but it's got a little bit of room. But it is rolling, right? This thing is rolling. Okay, need to get rid of all these damn high side lines here. All right. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Yeah. All right, let's scoot back. Yep, all right, a historical volatility chart starting to tick back up. Right now we're ticking back up. This is actually pretty good. So the volatility is moving. HV chart says money is moving. Right? HV chart says money is moving. Your shorts, ooh, wow, longs kind of teetered off right there. What's going on with that? So for the shorts, all right. Longs still. So the longs are still in the long squeeze area. The shorts are dropping. Look at the shorts just falling out of the sky right here. Right? Shorts keep dumping. Now, here's something. You just painted a bullish histo line. So you come on over here, take a look at this. You just posted your first bullish histo line, right? All right, 12. Right? But, I mean, we already know this. We've already been looking for a bounce, right? Our arrows have set a bounce for a while. We're looking for the bounce. Nothing. This is a weekly. In the monthly, we did that yesterday. Nothing has moved. Larger scale, nothing has moved. Nothing. Your count, nothing is moved. And your weekly, just same thing. You're just hanging on the bottom, just hanging out. So the 13 weekly BB still holding the lower support. But the middle and lower support broke south. Okay, this is bad, right? Okay, so what happened is here you see this broke south, this broke south, this broke south, this broke south. This is widening up. So this is all bad. You don't want to see this. This is the opposite. You'd really, if you're a bear, if you're very bullish, you'd want this to tighten up again, not go wider, because what this is doing, this is just making this game a lot harder for the bulls now by opening this back up, because what you're doing is you're releasing the tension that in this choke point. You see this choke point we'd created right here? So now you're opening everything back up, and that's bad, and you're just allowing this line to contract downwards. And now what you're doing is instead of this line going straight, right, which would be, hey, holding on to this support line, now your resistance is dropping to a lower level, which means if you do get a bounce, there's just less room to run up before you hit it, right? Bang down, look, bang down, just you can't. That's all that's happening. Now you're angling down. So this whole trend is moving sideways down like this at an angle. and that's not what we want to see happen. And there's that, and that's all we got over there. Let's go over and let's take a look at just a couple alts. I'm just going to run through some alts really quick. Listen, broke through the trend line, okay? I did get whacked out of this trade. I got whacked out in profit. Okay, so I did make money in this trade. And then look, this damn bastard just freaking kept going. Now, listen, here's your wedge. You're in this 4-hour wedge. You're gonna come up and test here. This is you got legs. XRP's got some legs right here. Let's see how it can keep going. You're kind of topped out. You're into this tippy top most of this resistance area here too. And it's just, if this can keep going and break through, it's unfortunately going to also depend a lot on how XRP holds, right? So your RSI 4-hour still running up in the wedge. Okay, so you're still running up in the wedge. So you got room to go here. You got room to go here. There's nothing that says you can't. Let's pull over our Raven chart. Yep, so here's Raven. I still think Raven's in this big mamma jamma right here. Right? Raven. Nothing's changed with Raven. I don't think anything's changed with anything else. Let me bring all these up. I really don't think anything has changed on any of these. Let's see here. Let's go back to BAT. All right. Nope, still looking good. Still came up into the resistance area, dropped out, still holding this resistance area right here. Now, what I'm going to do is, because I think we've got a little bit of a run left on BTC, I'm just going to go up here and say, oh, look, there's your moving averages. Now, this is bad, though, right? This is a very bearish death cross. So you got a death cross on BAT. And BAT's got a kind of stalled out right here. So I'd keep an eye on this. I'm gonna hold off on moving my arrows, okay? But this is a death cross, so you do have a death cross. This is on the 12-hour. This is bad. I'll keep an eye. So BAT has a death cross on it coming. It's not coming for a couple more candles, but we'll see what happens, right? 12-hour death cross coming in 1 to 2 candles. All right, and ETC, same thing, still trapped. Nano, bounced off our support, trapped. Same. Doggy. Ooh, double bottom on the support. Doggy likes to do this. Look at Doggy. It's like, here I come, bounce off here. Okay, no, I'm kidding. Hold this. No, I'm kidding. This one. It's like these as ugly. I know I'm a double bottom. Only kidding, I'm not. I'm a double bottom. No, I'm only kidding, I'm not. Right? It's a game with the dog. The dog is playing a game. Got this little bounce off here on VET. There's my top side, and it's still looking for lower. Tron, let's take a look at TRX. TRX, pretty, okay. So I still said, come up here and before it flops over. So let's take a look at TRX. Nothing's really changed on TRX for me. Ethereum, let's look at our ETC. Yep, nothing changed there. Let's see here. Nothing's changed. Nope, I don't see anything changed. Same. Yeah, what the hell is this? Nothing. So for this, just watch out. You're gonna get rejected possibly on the top side of this, so you're close. The same XLM. Ooh, nice run by XLM. I haven't been charting XLM. I haven't been watching XLM. Almost a full retracement to a double bottom, right? That would almost be a double bottom look right there. Very nice. Never got the long call, which is really weird. And nice pump back up. I want to see what I got going on over here. These got to go. Yeah, nice pump back up there. Really nice. Good run. Everything looks good there. Yeah, same thing. Listen, I still think this is exactly what this is. Nothing's changed there. ADX, same thing. Nothing has changed on ADX. I still see this as lower target, top resistance. You got these trend lines. Sia coin, same thing. Zcash, nothing has changed. Here you go. This is BCH. So you got BCH. Looks like a rising wedge. Doesn't look good. Just did a flippening right there on this. We're gonna this 12-hour and pull this 12-hour up. Yeah, don't even have a count yet on that right there. I'm gonna put this down to 6 hours, so at least I'll get a count. There you go. BCH, same thing. Neo. Oh man, not looking good on Neo. Got the long call, still looking for a flippening here, and get this TD count on the positive side. Just still looks like dog poo. EOS, same thing. A lot of long calls, and that's it. And I'm going to go over and do Wax and ICX next. All right, let's take a look at what we got in ICX. Man, ICX is very weak. Very, very weak. Okay, needs to get a bounce here. Looking very weak. And Wax fell out. Still looks like a cup and handle. This could just be doing like an ABC move before it pulls back up. And we'll see how that plays out. And let's run all the way back over here. See how we're doing and see if we can just keep a little bit of momentum. We just need a little bit. You know, I still think we got a little bit and then down. All right, so let's see how this runs out. Quick, you're funny. Close, short, or wait on XLM. Brian. You know, on XLM, listen, there's just the problem with XLM is has fundamental analysis to it, like a lot of it. So I don't like scalping. I'll either take a swing trade on XLM but I won't scalp XLM. So I'm sorry, not XLM, XRP. I will take a swing trade on XRP, but I don't like scalping XRP because you have too much fundamental analysis that can drive this coin one way or another. You know, it's just one guy saying, you know, some magical thing, and there's so many XRP people out there. I mean, they'll go sell like their food stamps or their, you know, I mean, pretty much anything they've got, they'll go hawk it and sell it to buy some more XRP. So that's the thing I don't like about XRP. And there's a lot of big XRP whales out there that like to move the market on XRP. So I just don't like that about scalping XRP, where I do like, you know, swing trading this. So this would be a much better swing trade here. So if you're going for the Coinbase announcement, you're in a swing trade here looking for 60 cents, right? That's what you're doing. You're looking for 60 cents. Right, I got blasted out down here at 49 cents. So remember, I bought in low. I bought in like 40 something cents. Got blasted out half of it up here at 50 cents. Got blasted out the rest of it 49 cents, and then I'm out. I'm out of it. Yeah, so your food stamps exactly. But that's it. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. I am out. Scott, Brian, Biz, Michael, thank you all so much for being here. Slim, really, yeah, I swear. Seeger, you're killing me. Don't say that. That's blasphemy. It's all right now. I'm already out of the trade, but they're killing me. I would just like to say thank you to all of you for being here on this lovely Saturday night, and thank you so much. I will catch you all later. This is the Vamp, and all of us said until 1 mil, I am out.